exclusive details on how I made my okpa for sale today. Today is Saturday, being the 28th of February 2026, and it also happens to be the sanitation day. That's why you are seeing this brightness, just the way it's bright like this, because I normally make my okpa in the early morning so as to get trapped with the people going for early morning job or work. I measured that quantity because we are going out late and today is Saturday. So if you want to make or turn the whole oil so that they will meet and marry each other. See our oil now, so red, so nice. And I also said, if you're looking for the best oil, maybe you are not in Enugu but you want to get Enugu oil, which is the best, send me a DM. I can do that for you and send it to any location of your choice. So here, this is where the work of cooking okpa is. This turning is not here, but you have to turn it so well. Look at the oil now. Look at this, is just oil and okpa. We are not here to make colored okpa. In a lot of okpa that people are making all around, they must put color to it. But me, no, it's a no for me. I can never put colored to my okpa. Yes, I can never. We give original, unadulterated. I'm telling you for a reason. So here you have to mix the okpa very well to get a fluffy consistency. You have to mix it. This is where the job is. This is where the work is. So you have to be putting water bit by bit. If you put plenty water at once, you have a lot of lumps on your okpa. So you have to mix it little by little, add water little by little. I wouldn't be showing you all the water I added, because I know by this explanation you've already known and understood what I meant and what I was saying. So here I was trying to mix it with the first water I added. Mix it properly, mix it together so there won't be any lumps on it. Mind you are going to be using warm water, like water that is already warm. Don't you ever use cold water when mixing your okpa. If not, you will spoil everything you've tried to do so long. So at this point, I am done adding all the water that I needed, and then I went in with my salt. If you eat natural okpa, you will know that you ate natural okpa. We are giving you value for your money. Honestly, we are. See, this business, we started it just January, and today, by the special grace of God, we are growing. A lot of people, a lot of persons are patronizing us from all around. So if you've not patronized us, go ahead and patronize us. Come to our DM, send me a message, patronize us. It will get to you wherever you are, wherever you are in the world, it will get to you. That I promise you. So here I added my yellow pepper. I like the flavor this yellow pepper gives in my okpa. In fact, a lot of my customers are appreciating the fact that I'm using yellow pepper to cook my okpa. This okpa is so special that, like, if you are somebody that knows how to cook okpa very well, you know that this is just equivalent to what you make at home, because a lot of persons are looking for too much gain in a particular market. But honestly, I want gain, but that's not, excess gain is not what I want, that I will come and start mixing things, a lot of things, just for me to have gain and then endanger people's lives. No, it's not making sense. So here I am done putting all the ingredients I needed, so I'm tying it batch by batch how I will sell them. This one now that I'm tying is for 500 naira. We have the one for 300, we have the one for 2500 naira. So we are tying it. And when you are tying your okpa, you must have to tie it down so that it doesn't have that this side soft, this side strong. So you have to tie it down so as to get a nice okpa. So here our okpa is ready, our babies are ready. See okpa now, so natural, so soft, so delicious. If I start sending reviews of my customers that ate this okpa, that normally eats my okpa, you know that I am not playing, I know what I'm doing. So these are the great result of my okpa. It is so nice, it is so nice, it tastes so good. So come and patronize me, yes, support my growing business, my YouTube family. Come and support me. If you are not seeing my videos, please start seeing my videos today. Help me to share, recommend me to anybody you know that needs this natural okpa from me, from Chinimoni. You will get value for your money, and we do everything neat and neat. So thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you so much for always sharing. Thank you so much for those that have patronized. Thank you if you are still yet not to patronize. Thank you. We say thank you to everybody, and we hope that you one day patronize us to see what we're actually saying. So thank you all, and see you all in my next video. Bye.